So there is no coagulants inside.
All right.
If you include coagulants like heparin or like citric acid or something like that, it will not work. You will get an extra band.
Okay.
So you need to take serum.
Only serum.
Only just take the blood.
Okay.
In a blood collecting tube without any additional
Addition.
no additional inside.
Okay.
You see, as a standard, if you take blood,
Yeah.
you have blood taking tubes with
Yeah.
red,
Yes.
with violet, or green, or orange, or yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, genau.
Yeah.
And you need to take the white ones or the brown ones, because this is serum.
Okay.
And there is EDTA inside. There is citric acid inside. Here, citric acid in another relation. There is heparin or fluoride inside. You do not take these. Do not take these. Only without any coagulants inside.
All right. Okay. Only this.
Only the white
Yeah.
or the browns.
Okay. Can you take my blood and we can?
Sorry, I can't do that. I have no needles and nothing like that.
All right. Okay. No problem.
Okay, if you have it
Okay.
within the tube, you just give it to a centrifuge.
Yeah.
You centrifuge it.
400 or
You just
6,000.
No. This is the speed is, I think 400.
Oh.
No, I have no scale on that
Okay.
one. Easy how to centrifuge
okay.
the normal blood.
All right.
I think this is 400 RPM,
Okay.
and you centrifuge it for 4 or 5 minutes.
All right. Okay.
And then you have a sediment, so you have the blood cake
Okay.
on the bottom and the serum on the top.
On the top. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, and that's all.
Okay.
That's all you need to do. You just need to centrifuge it.
All right.
The next step is, and then we have something like this, like the control material.
Okay. This is the control
Yeah,
material.
this is one from Biored. I make tests from Biored for them.
Okay.
This is only one. We have our control material as well. It's
Okay.
this one. You can take a photo of this. This is the label on top. Yeah. This is control material.
Okay.
There is one pathological and one normal
Okay.
inside.
Okay. Okay, I understand.
So I just need a appendix. May I take this? So how to prepare the samples?
Because there we take a lot of time, 3-4 hours to prepare the sample.
No.
So maybe we will follow the wrong way. I don't know.
It will not take 3 or 4 hours.
Okay. Maybe this is for a flatlet agrometer. We make a lot of procedures.
No.
For this
It's
one
very,
is-
very easy to do.
Okay, all right.
You just need to dilute it a little bit. So if you have the blood
Okay.
centrifuged,
Yeah.
you take any amount of sample.
Okay.
In the manual, I will print out one for you. Nee, leider nein. Kein Problem. Kriegen wir irgendwie hin. So, in the manual, you will find the instruction how to dilute.
Yeah.
So I take a pipette And the dilution of for serum proteins
Okay.
is to do it 1/7.
Okay. 1/7
1/7. So you take 1 part
of this.
of the control
Yeah.
from the blood,
Yeah.
from the blood serum, 1 part. So for example, 10 microliters.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I will do that. You see, this is 10 microliters.
Okay.
Have it? Okay. And you take the buffer solution.
Okay. Well, no. Okay. Buffer solution.
No, this is just to handle it.
Okay.
And because of the dilution of 1/7, you add now to the 10 microliters of serum
Okay.
you add 60
60.
microliters of buffer solution. You see?
Okay. It's okay.
Now we need to shake it. Here.
We don't have this. This is only shaker.
Do that. This is just shaking. This is a.
Okay.
It's just doing that. It's just mixing.
Okay.
You see, if you mix it thoroughly by hand, it is working as well. It's just shaking around. And now it's ready. That's all for preparation. It's very easy.
All right. Okay.
Okay. So we can remove this.
How we will put buffer?
Yes.
This.
No, the next step is we prepare. Now this is preparation of the sample.
Okay.
This you can just move out.
Okay.
Oh, it's a little dirty. Inside we fill now the tank with buffer solution.
Okay. Which solution?
Buffer.
I should take that. Okay. Buffer solution, the same buffer solution which
like,
you
like
put
the
there.
dilution, yes.
Yeah.
So you take 35 milliliters.
Okay.
This amount.
Okay. Okay.
Give it in one. And the same amount in the second half. And the tank is prepared.
Okay, this is one. One thing is prepared.
So you just need to slip it in.
Okay. And push.
Just remove the drops. That's it. Okay, So the preparation of the tank is done.
All right, okay.
So the next step is we need for application and preparation, you need following. That is all included in the kit.
All
It's
right.
inside the kit.
Okay.
So you need one template,
Okay.
you need one paper wick for taking the samples, and you need one large paper wick to dry the gel surface.
All right.
So this is the kit as you got it. Inside the kit, by the way, here's the manual. This is all the time
All
there's a
the
manual
time, yeah.
in the kit.
Okay.
So I will take one gel. There are 10 gels inside in each
Yeah.
kit,
Okay.
and there are the templates and the papers are all inside the kit.
All right, okay.
As well, you will find staining solution. You need to dilute
Okay.
this. So you add 200 ml of distilled water,
Okay.
and you give 200. You give that inside, and then you have ready to use solution. And this is the buffer solution.
It is the same.
It's yeah, but this is concentrated.
Okay.
Yeah, and you just as mentioned here, you just fill it with 900 ml of with Aquadest,
Okay.
with distilled water.
This also.
Yes, you take 900 ml distilled. This is important, distilled water. You cannot use just normal water from the water line.
Okay.
This will not work. You need to have distilled
Distilled
water.
water,
Or
yeah.
the deionized. This is working as well.
Okay. Dear.
900 plus the 100,
Okay.
and then shake, and you will have the ready buffer solution.
Okay. This one, after you put this one,
No, not this. After I put this one, With
mix 900 ml.
yes, water.
Put in the big one.
Yes.
Okay.
And
That
then
will.
you have ready to use, and this you will give to the waste because this is empty afterwards.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Should I dilute it? We can do that.
Yeah, we can.
So you can take a faucet.
Yeah.
You can open it or take a scissor, something like that. And then you give the complete content inside the.
Okay.
You see, this is 100 ml.
Okay.
Now this you can give to the waste. And you fill in.
With the distilled water.
This is distilled water.
Okay.
You fill in up to 1000 ml.
Yeah.
You see now 1000 ml.
Correct.
Okay? So now you need to shake it. This is just a magnetic stirrer. As you can see here, you now need to mix it until it is completely clear.
And if you put this one in a bottle,
Yes.
and shake it.
It's
will
working as well.
work? Okay.
I just want to show you this is 1000 ml. Yeah, I take the 100 of the buffer and fill it with 1000 ml,
Correct.
with 900 ml, And now if I shake it in that way, or if I stir it, it doesn't make any difference. You can shake it as well.
All right.
And now buffer solution is ready. Now you can use it as I did with the bottle.
All right.
Okay.
And what about that one?
This one.
Yeah.
Now this is for this is another solution for immunofixation later. We do not need to have it now for this demonstration.
Okay.
This is just the same amido black solution. This was ready to use solution. Okay. So the next step is you need to prepare the agarose gel.
Okay.
So in each box you got 10 of these envelopes.
And 100 tests you can make.
And yes, and 10 tests on each.
Same.
10 tests on each gel. So you just need to cut with a scissor one side. And carefully slip it out. This is the gel.
Okay.
So this you can give to the waste. Okay, I just place it on a glass plate because I handle it a little more easy. Now the blue one is a protective shield, this one, so you just need to remove it.
All right. This
So
waste.
this is waste.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
just to protect the agarose gel.
Okay.
So the next step
Okay.
Okay. The next step is I have to dry the surface of the agarose gel.
Okay.
So I do one thing. This makes it easier for handling. I just what's called this? I don't know. Knicken.
Yeah.
Don't know the English word.
Yeah.
I just make something like this because then I can take
Yeah,
it.
okay.
So take the paper and place it just on top of the agarose gel. You see?
Yes.
And I just remove it. And this is just to dry just the surface,
surface,
not
yeah.
to suck completely the buffer out of the agarose gel. This is just to dry the surface. And this you can give now to the waste.
Okay.
So the next step is, as you can see, we have two markings. There are two arrows
Yes.
on that side.
Yeah.
And here on the templates, you can see the small markings on the left and on the right side.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah? And you place it directly to the markings. You see? It was not like that.
Okay. Perfect.
And now, in case there are bubbles between the agarose gel and the template, I take the small paper wick and gently slide over the
To make it dry.
template. Not to make it dry, just to fix it.
All right. Okay.
So at the next, and you will repeat it after I am ready.
All right.
So you can train by
Train
yourself.
by myself. Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
So we take 3 microliters.
Okay. 3. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Of the sample. And now you see there are slits. There are 10 slits. These ones, you see that.
Yeah.
And on each slit, you place 1 dot of 3 microliters. You see, I just place 1 dot in the center. Of course, there's 10 patients.
Yeah.
I just take 1 sample for each slit, but normally you prepare the 10 samples like this, and you take 10 different
Patient data.
patient patient material samples. That's it. Now we wait for 5 minutes.